First offense, DWI, if you are convicted, yes. The answer is you will lose your license for a year, but that does not mean you won't necessarily be able to drive, because if the circumstances are such, North Carolina does allow for a limited driving privilege, which allows a person whose license has been suspended, and it usually is just for first offenders, or at least people who haven't had another prior within the previous 7 years. They can apply to the court for a court order that allows them to drive, usually just for work or school or household necessity, and for alcohol and drug treatment and community service requirements. But they will lose their license. They will be subject to usually it's about up to a 60-day sentence. For the most part, is often suspended, and they can be put on probation. Usually it's unsupervised, but it doesn't have to be. It can be supervised. And then they would be ordered to get a DWI assessment and to complete the recommended course of treatment. DWI assessment is where you sit down with a licensed counselor, answer their questions about your alcohol or drug use, and then based on your answers, the counselor makes a recommendation as to a course of treatment. And the DMV actually requires that you get the assessment and then also that you complete the treatment before they will reinstate your license.